Looking for new therapeutic options for yourself or your loved one? Clinical trials offer a path forward. Let's explore the trial process from the first encounter to the completion of your journey as a participant. Some patients learn about clinical trials from their doctor, family, or friends. Others find them through traditional media or by searching the internet. If a particular study catches your attention, contact the clinical site running it. The doctors will explain the potential therapies available in the trial and invite you for an initial visit to the site. During the initial visit, the doctor will review your medical records, suggest the best therapeutic options currently available, and discuss the study details. This is also your time to ask questions and address any concerns. Before joining a clinical trial, you will sign an informed consent form. This document explains the study, your rights and responsibilities, and what to expect. It confirms that you're choosing to participate freely. After signing the informed consent, you will complete additional diagnostic tests and medical consultations. This is to make sure the study is a good fit for your health situation and you meet the inclusion criteria. This part is called screening. If you pass the screening successfully and qualify for the trial, you will be randomly assigned to a group receiving the investigational product or to a comparison group where you may be receiving, for example, a currently registered standard therapy. Once assigned, the clinical trial begins. Throughout the trial, you will have regular visits at the site. You will follow a specific plan and recommendations according to the study protocol. In some cases, you might be able to take your therapy at home. Throughout the process, you can expect close contact with the clinical trial team, additional medical care, and diagnostic tests. After the time specified in the protocol, the clinical trial comes to an end. During the final visit, the study team will review your experiences and therapy outcomes. You will also discuss further treatment options. Your own therapy comes to an end, but the impact of your participation will last much longer. Clinical trials offer an opportunity to improve health and quality of life for millions. Thanks to patients like you, the patients of tomorrow, new and better therapies might become available for everyone. Thank you for your contribution to the development of medicine. Health has a future in clinical trials. Become a patient of tomorrow.